In the galaxy, with planets so far vast apart from each other, travel between them with a spaceship can take a few hours to a couple of days, depending on their location in the galaxy. But it hasn't always been like that. Long before the formation of the Galactic Republic, and even long before the formation of Jedi Order, travel between stars didn't take a few hours or a few days. In fact, they took centuries to travel between distant stars. When humans started to leave Coruscant in spaceships, they were using a type of ship called generation ship. A generation ship was an ancient class of spaceship used to colonize worlds before the invention of hyperdrive. They were massive ships designed for different compartments for growing food, with the primary and secondary power generators, living quarters, and entertainment modules. The main purpose for this ship's name and design was to teach future generations of their how to run the ship and how to colonize planets. The knowledge was passed down from generation to generation until they had reached a planet and a colony could be stabilized. As soon as the generation ship had arrived to their final destination, the colonists would land on the planet to rebuild their colony. As the main purpose for the generation ship was to travel to a distant planet to stabilize a colony. But since the travel of the ship would take centuries at most, since the ships didn't have hyperdrive or a sublight, they traveled below light speed, which means why they used had to be then did that each crew had to teach their children, the next generation, how to run the ship and how to stabilize a colony, since the ships didn't have could even travel with light speed. Light generation ships will later be replaced by a new type of class of ships called sleeper ship around 30,000 BBY, and this is all we know about generation ships in Star Wars Legends.